Easy basic stuff. This one's a wee love poem. It's called My Bird's Arse. No matter what the time of day and in her bed at night, my bird's arse makes all sorts of noises which often smell of shite. She does her best to deny the noises that she makes. Even when they don't make noise, I feel her body shake. Sometimes I need to hold my breath and sometimes it's a laugh. Maybe it's no so romantic when we are in the bath. And even when she does her best and hides a massive fart, my bird has got a lovely Erse, and that's what won my heart. That's another one about Buckfast Tonic wine.
Yeah!
Oh, he's not?
Yeah.
It's made by monks from Devon, the St Benedictine kind, and they produce a great wee drink called Buckfast Tonic wine. It's drank by fucking all sorts, but it's got a right bad rep. You're just a fucking hooligan, or even worse than Ed. You'll never drink it out the glass, only ever through the bottle. Well, what hooligan or Ned do you know that isn't antisocial? I'm not sure why I gets the blame for violent acts of crime, cause I just get drunk and chill the fuck out when I'm drinking mine. I've seen the Buckfast challenge, but I haven't done it myself. Maybe that's how I haven't woke up in a random police cell. Well, actually I have, but it was because of Bucky. I was just a bitty I thought who thought he was fucking Rocky. I'd say I've grown up since then. I've not had a fight in years. I still like a drink right enough, a bottle of tonic and a few beers. But if the rumours are true and the alcohol volume drops, I'll be finding something else to drink because the effects of Bucky will be crap. So I hope my milk mates will stand up for the consumer and fight for the alcohol rights. I don't want to drink that Eldorado, pish or any other want to be shite. Thank you. This one's called The Biggin. How when I'm no religious, I sometimes look to the sky and ask, why me? Are you want to fuck big guys? You see, I'm not looking for answers, I'm not even wanting a reply. But if there was a supreme being, then I'd like to know fucking why. He took my dad at 51 and my mom at 54. How's that fucking fair, you cunt? Am I being greedy expecting more? They both died far too early and left me and my two wee brothers. And New Year's birthday and at Christmas were left to fucking suffer. Now I'm no different from anybody else, I miss my mum and dad. But if I cut myself every time I thought of them, I'd have about a million scars. One saving grace though, with neither of them suffer, passing away in their sleep, gives me a wee bit of comfort. And I hope that's how I leave Tae, but no for fucking years yet. So keep your eyes and horns off me, Biggin. If you're there, you lousy shit. You alright, you know? This one is called I'm Alright. See me, I'm no very well. But when you take a look at me, you couldn't fucking tell. On a day-to-day basis, I'm just a normal guy. But every now and then it seems I'm just no fucking wise. I'm no sure what's wrong with me. Maybe it's fucking nothing. Fine 1 minute, a cunt the next. Surely that's fucking something. There isn't a fucking trigger or a switch that I feel throw. You might not see it coming, but you shouldn't fucking know. My face isn't always tripping, but I've got a permanent scowl. Takes some time to get to know, as you'll see it's no always a growl. But my face is my face, it'll no change, that's just the way it goes. There's no indication of what side you'll get, the rage doesn't always show. So if you think I'm just a grumpy cunt and you don't want to waste your time, that's your fucking problem, pal, it's certainly no mine. I'll no lose any sleep wondering why you think a certain way. I know I don't look approachable, but maybe find out what others say. Cause I'll always have your back, you want me on your side, cause I know exactly who I am. A cunt, but I'm alright. That's the last one. I wrote this one, there was a wee bit of anger problems, so this is it. It's like probably most days I'm here. This one's called The Fight Within. I grew up fighting and I haven't stoked. I've maybe calmed down but not as much as I'd hoped. Don't know how I might be so angry. Don't know how I lose it so fast. I'm trying to control a rage inside but I've no idea how long I can last. Sometimes I feel it building inside, sometimes it comes on in a flash. Sometimes I just want to shout and scream, sometimes I just let my fist smash. Because counting to 10 doesn't cut it. My blood boils and a darkness descends. I need to use all my strength to subdue it, but either way I don't like how it ends. I might shake, tremble, get watery-eyed, and I feel that makes me look weak. But all my focus is on trying hard not to lash out. I'm unable to turn the other cheek. Drummed into me fair as we, hit first and ask questions later. And this is me now, no much has changed. Still angry, still wee, still Cather. Thank you very much, I've been talking about it.